I'm Doug Grossman, President of QLab Corporation. Our company has been in business since 1956. We manufacture accelerated weathering test chambers that simulate the damage caused by sunlight and rain on polymers, paints, plastics, and building materials.
Our customers use our equipment to test materials of all kinds. House paints, vinyl siding, roofing materials, anything that will be exposed outdoor to the sunlight and moisture.
We have thousands of customers in hundreds of different industries, but something everybody would know about is the finishes on cars. 30, 40 years ago, car paints used to fade and crack and just go bad. They don't do that anymore because the chemists have used our accelerated weathering chambers to develop much better polymers that just don't age. Likewise, cars used to rust all the time. They don't do that anymore. They use our corrosion chambers over the years to develop better and better paints that really protect from rust amazingly. We find that what we can do in Cleveland is more than competitive worldwide. We're number one in our business worldwide, and we think it has to do with the culture of the people and the technology in Cleveland.
We are constantly looking for people in many different jobs. We are hiring people in the areas of electronics assembly, stamping, sheet metal fabrication, machinists, quite a variety.
One of the things that I tell our employees is that our mission is to make testing simple for our customers. Our machines are complex and high-tech, but really what our customers want is a machine that's reliable and easy to use, and that's what we provide. I'm Doug Grossman from QLab, and we manufacture CLE.